Dear students, in the topic inverse trigonometric function, we take one example. You write down, solve the equation. Solve the equation means trigonometric equation is there. Sin inverse of 6x plus sin inverse of 6 root 3x is equal to minus 5/2. Equation is given. It is trigonometric equation. Sin inverse of 6x plus sin inverse of 6 root 3x is equal to minus 5/2. We have to solve the equation. Means we have to find value of x. We start sin inverse of 6x is equal to minus 5/2 minus sin inverse of 6 root 3x. This expression we have taken on right hand side. Therefore, sin inverse of 6x is equal to this one. By taking sin ratio to both sides, then we get sin inverse of x is equal to sin of minus 5/2 minus sin inverse of 6 root 3x. Here what we do, sin inverse of sin x is equal to x means it is 6x, and sin of we take minus common, and here pi by 2 plus sin inverse of 6 root 3x. Sin of pi by 2, sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Therefore, sin of minus this quantity will be minus sin of, that is 6x is equal to minus sin of pi by 2 plus sin inverse of 6 root 3x. This is sin of pi by 2 plus theta. Sin of pi by 2 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin of pi by 2 plus theta is equal to cos theta, means 6x is equal to minus sin of pi by 2 plus theta, it is cos theta, that is cos of theta means sin inverse of 6 root 3x. Therefore, we write 6x is equal to minus cos theta then 6x is equal to, what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to, we write cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta, means cos of sin inverse of 6 root 3x is equal to under root of 1 minus sin sin inverse of 6 root 3x like this. It is minus cos of theta under root of 1 minus sin square theta. Theta is sin inverse of 6 root 3x like this. That is equal to 6x is equal to minus square root of 1 minus sin inverse of 6 root 3x. It is 6 root 3x. But square is there. Therefore, it is bracket square. Means 6x is equal to minus square root of 1 minus 6 square is 36 into 3. Therefore, squaring both the sides, 6x square, that is 36x square is equal to 1 minus 36 into 3, 108 and x square. Here we take 36x square plus 108 x square is equal to 1, means 108 plus 36 it is 144 x square. 144 x square is equal to 1, means x square is equal to 1 upon 144. Therefore, x is equal to plus minus 1 upon x is equal to plus minus 1 upon 10. But x is equal to 1 upon 10 is not possible. If we write x is equal to 1 upon 10, then equation will not be satisfied. Therefore, answer is x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. You observe the properties of the inverse trigonometric functions. Here what we done, sin inverse of 6x, this term we are taken on the right hand side, that is minus y by 2 minus sin inverse of this one. Then we have taken sin ratio to both the sides, means sin inverse of 6x and sin of this term. Sin of minus we have taken common, then pi by 2 plus this one, means sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, and sin of pi by 2 plus theta is cos theta. What is cos theta? Under root of 1 minus sin square theta. Under root of 1 minus sin square theta. Means 6x is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square theta. Sin inverse of 6 root 3 means 6 root 3. Square is there, therefore whole square. Means 6 square 36, root 3 square 3 and x square. Then to remove the under root side, we have to square both the sides. Therefore, squaring both sides, we get this one. Then you take next example. Find the value of sin inverse cos 43 pi upon 5. That is 43 upon 5. 43 upon 5. 43 upon 5 means 5 8s are 40. That is 3. 48 upon 5. 43 upon 5. We write here 5. Here 8. 8 into 5. That is 40 plus 3. Means 8 plus 3 upon 5. 8 plus 3 upon 5. Therefore, 43 pi plus 43 pi upon 5 is equal to 8 pi plus 3 pi by 3. 3 pi by 5. That is 8 pi into 5, 40 pi plus 3 pi, 43 pi upon 5. Therefore, sin inverse of sin of cos of 43 pi upon 5 is equal to sin inverse of cos of 8 pi plus 3 pi upon 5. That is cos of 8 pi plus theta. Cos of 8 pi plus theta is equal to cos theta. Then it is equal to sin inverse of cos of 3 pi upon 5. That is cos theta. Cos theta is sin pi minus theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to sin pi by 2 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin pi by 2 minus theta. Means what? Means cos theta, here cos 3 pi upon 5 is equal to sin pi by 2 minus 3 pi upon 5. Therefore we write sin inverse of sin of pi by 2 minus 3 pi upon 5. That is equal to sin inverse of sin of, that is pi into 5 pi 3 into 2, that is 6 pi upon 2 into 5, that is 10. It is equal to sin inverse of sin of minus pi upon 10. Therefore sin inverse of sin x, sin inverse of sin x is equal to x. Therefore sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta, that is minus pi upon 10. Yes. Here you see cos of 8 pi, even number, 8 pi plus theta is equal to cos theta. Means cos of 8 pi plus 3 pi upon 5, it is cos 3 pi upon 5. Cos of theta means sin pi by 2 minus theta. Yes. Here. Then I give you one example for practice. Find the value of cos inverse cos inverse minus 680. You solve this one. Otherwise, if you have any problem, then I will discuss in next period.